Welcome to Mobiezy. This video guides you on how to add areas. Once you log in onto your cable network homepage, click on Menu, click Forms, and click on Manage Area. Since you do not have any areas, you do not see any records. To add an area, click on Create, type in the area name. For example, I will type in Rajajanagar first block. The city is Bengaluru and the pin code of that particular area. And once you create an area, click on Submit. Click on OK to save the changes. Similarly, you can add multiple areas. So I'm adding one more area here. Click on yes and click on OK. You see, now you have two areas which are created for your cable network. To edit this particular area, all you have to do is click on this red image under the action section, and here you get. If you have made any changes, just click on Submit. So it will be reflecting in this particular page. Thank you.